Yeah, we'll have a look at the cinema, or was the cinema, see if there's any clues in what's going on around there. Yeah, welcome to the channel today. I'm in Weymouth today to get an update on Cineworld to see what it's actually going to be. Is there any clues? Enjoy the video. Yeah, we'll have a look at the cinema, or was the cinema, see if there's any clues in what's going on around there. There won't be no work today, but we'll have a look, see what's happening over there. Yeah, you got the ice cream one again, there every day. There you got ice under Costa and the range there. Oh yeah, but let's have a look. No clues yet. Can't really see any clues what's going on here. I don't know. Any clues? No. It's at the front of. You see some windows in there, things like that. Can't really see much. Have a look around here. No signage or nothing up yet. No clues or nothing like that. Apart from the camera. Oh, we've got some doors on. Now, do those look like cinema doors? No. And maybe putting sliding doors in the middle. No, the doors are on, but I need to really look actually inside to get any clues for what's going on. Ah, so there's some doors on the old cinema still. No clues yet though. Yeah, so I don't really know what's going on. Hey?
Are you recording that?
Yeah.
Can you record me a little bit?
No, not allowed.
What?
Because you're a child.
But I'm a minor.
Do you have any ideas what this place is going to be?
Yeah. It's going to be a shop.
Is it? I heard it's going to be a shop.
Yeah. It's going to be a massive shop. But apparently there's going to be like a little train on the top.
Is there?
Yeah. And like there's like going to be like some police cars on the top as well, like a little.
It looks like I have heard it's going to be a shop. I've heard the rumours.
And apparently it's going to be like, so half shop, yeah, half like a little playground roller coaster bit.
Oh, right.
Really cool.
I suppose it's big enough for it.
Yeah, there's
After
going to
being
be
a
like a
cinema.
massive roller coaster coming down here, a loop, and then all the way back up. Yeah.
You reckon?
No, that's what they said.
Is that what they said? Who told you that then?
The cinema people, they announced it.
Oh, did they?
But yeah.
I've got some doors on. They look like shop doors.
Yeah.
What do you want? What would you prefer, the cinema or the shop?
Cineworld.
Yeah, so would I. Yeah.
All
Alright, have a good day. Yeah, take care, man. Yeah, so whether it's true or not, it's going to be a shop. They do look like shop doors, but they could also be. I don't think it's going to be a cinema again. I don't think it's going to be a cinema again. But yeah, definitely got some shop doors on. Well, you never know. But yeah, so whether it's true or not, it's going to be a shop. I don't know. But you can see the doors. But look like they're making some intensive changes inside there. So we'll have to wait and see on that one, I'm afraid. And well, if you like this short video on the cinema updates, please like, subscribe, support the channel and give us a thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next video. Is it going to be a shop or is it going to be a cinema? I have heard rumours it's going to be a shop, but still we'll have to wait and see on it. Anyway, I'll catch you next video everyone. Have a great day and bye for now.